Limitless AI is the new AI software that's taking the digital marketing world by storm. If you're looking to take your business to the next level, here are 7 crucial things you need to know before jumping in. By the end of this review, you'll have a clear picture of whether this tool is the right fit for you. First off, Limitless AI brings cutting-edge automation to the forefront. One of its standout features is its ability to automate complex workflows across multiple platforms, whether it's scheduling posts, sending follow-up emails, or managing customer interactions. This software handles it seamlessly, saving you hours of manual work each week. What really sets Limitless AI apart is its adaptability. This is a software that can grow with you. From small businesses to large-scale operations, it's designed to integrate into a variety of industries, offering solutions tailored to each. This adaptability makes it an invaluable tool for anyone looking to scale without constantly having to adapt to new software. Another game-changing feature is the powerful data analytics built right into the software. Limitless AI gives you real-time insights into how your campaigns are performing, what's working, and where to improve. This level of detail helps you make smarter decisions based on actual data rather than guessing or relying on outdated methods. If you want to stay ahead of the competition, this feature alone makes Limitless AI worth considering. But what really drives its efficiency is the AI's learning curve. Unlike many other tools that require steep learning periods, Limitless AI uses machine learning to continuously adapt and optimize your processes. The more you use it, the better it gets at anticipating your needs, allowing you to work smarter, not harder. You also get access to robust customer support. Limitless AI offers 24/7 assistance, which is a game changer, especially for small teams or solo entrepreneurs who may not have a dedicated tech support team. It's like having a personal assistant always ready to help you tackle any issue, day or night. One thing to note is its ease of integration. Limitless AI can sync with the tools you're already using, like CRM software and email marketing platforms. This makes the transition into using Limitless AI quick and pain-free, without requiring you to overhaul your entire workflow. Plus, it doesn't matter if you're using it for e-commerce, digital marketing, or lead generation. This software can be customized for any purpose. Now, if you're wondering if it's worth the investment, here's the good news. You can try it completely free from the first link below. I always recommend testing out software before committing, and Limitless AI gives you that option. Take it for a spin, see how it works for your business, and decide for yourself. Before you go, if you're into AI tools that actually deliver results, I've got my personal list of recommended AI software in the description below. These are tools I've tried myself after testing thousands of options. Trust me, you won't want to miss them. So, is Limitless AI the best AI software just released? For the businesses it's designed for, it's definitely a strong contender. Don't just take my word for it, give it a try and see how it can transform your digital marketing efforts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.